This has been home for a group of Venezuelans for the last 2 months. They've been left jobless, homeless and hungry by the COVID-19 pandemic. If they were making enough money to live and send home before, now they're barely surviving. Things were going well for these two Venezuelan brothers in Peru until the pandemic struck. After the first month of lockdown, their savings ran out, and they spent the last 2 months here on this corner just around the block from the Venezuelan embassy in Lima, where they're waiting for a flight home. They were working at a beach resort when the lockdown began nearly 4 months ago. Their entire income dried up. When they could no longer pay the rent, they came to the capital to seek help from their embassy. But they did not get it.
Those who have most helped us are just individuals, Peruvians, Venezuelans, Argentinians, everyone. They have seen what we're living through and they're helping us out from the goodness of their hearts.
The group was told that there might be a repatriation flight later this month, but are now undecided whether to take it, because the situation is likely worse in Venezuela.
When you find yourselves in trouble with your back against the wall, you want to run home. For us, home is Venezuela. I don't think the situation will be better there, but we've tried to get work here and there's nothing.
Meanwhile, they wait, knowing with millions of Peruvians also facing unemployment, there's little hope of them getting work. But while the Peruvian government has pledged to give cash transfers to millions of poor families, Venezuelan migrants have not been included.
Of the 870,000 or more Venezuelans living in the country, 90% are working in the informal economy, so the lockdown measures have impacted them hard because they could not go out and work.
As the looming recession increases poverty and inequality for millions of Peruvians, the future looks grim for migrants. Many also face the extra strain of discrimination and not being able to reunite with family members. Studies show these factors are driving a huge rise in mental health problems. Dan Collyns for CGTN in Lima.